The Kärcher T10-1 Advanced Tub Vac meets the specific needs of the UK market by providing a tough, simple, no gimmicks machine that's easy to use and service, and that offers low whole life costs. The machine weighs only 6.5 kilos and features a carry handle on the top, large wheels at the back, and swivelling casters at the front, making it very easy to move around. Unlike competitor machines, it's got a large on-off switch on the top that can even be operated by foot, and a cable wrap to keep the power lead neat and tidy. The machine features a powerful 1100 watt motor, giving great suction performance, and the combination of 2.5 metre suction hose and 12 metre power cable provide a wide working radius that beats most competitor machines. The model has 10 litres capacity, and access to the dust bag is simple. Just release 2 clips, take off the head, and remove the large filter. This filter also enables the machine to be used without a bag if the area being cleaned is fairly dust-free. Thanks to the kettle-type plug, the cable can easily be replaced with just a screwdriver, without the need to call out an engineer. The floor tool can be quickly switched when cleaning carpets and hard floors. The T10-1 Advanced Vacuum Cleaner from Kärcher. Tough, simple, and with great performance.